Everyone, this video is being made so that we can finally get rid of the virus by cleaning the buildings properly. About 2 years ago, I would go to a supermarket and I would come home feeling sick. I would take silver and things, vitamin C, and I would feel better. But a year later, I found out I was being sick because there was a virus in the air. And when we started wearing masks, I noticed that my being sick was minimized just to my eyes. So the reason we need to clean the buildings is because the virus can circulate in the air for up to 9 days, and it can live on your clothing for up to 3 days. So the best way to clean the air is not what everyone is using. We need to ozone blast the building. In order to ozone blast the building, the best way to do it the first time is to blast it for 2 hours. You need to make sure there's nothing alive in the building, no animal, no food is out, and just leave fans going and you blast the building. You just turn it on for 2 hours and you run out of the door. And when you come back, the fans will have dissipated. If you run it for 2 hours, you need to stay out of the building for 2 hours. That way, when you come back, everything will be totally sterilized.
Here are some other ways to protect yourself. First, after going in or outside, make sure you bathe or shower as soon as possible. Next, after you bathe, it's important to apply the rose cream all over your skin. Thirdly, it's important to disinfect your eyes, especially when you are outside. Use silver or Can-C eye drops to do this effectively. Next, after being outside, make sure to disinfect your clothing with herb lotion spray. Then, fold them so the cleanser will penetrate the clothing. Another option would be to simply dry your clothing. Next, you can make sure to add 1 teaspoon of silver to a cup of water. You can also add the silver to natural baby wipes to provide further protection.
When it comes to inside of the home or workplace or office, it is a good idea to spritz kitchen knobs, furniture, phones, light switches, inside of cabinets, carpets, curtains, and anything that people are touching that could spread germs and viruses. A great product to use to clean and disinfect these types of surfaces is the natural herbal lotion. Another way to help purify the air in your home or workspace is to use essential oils to cleanse the air. You can do this by using essential oils such as oregano oil, spearmint essential oil, or corn mint. You can use cinnamon essential oil as well as lavender essential oils. You can diffuse it into the air using fans or the AC ventilation system. Lastly, every room or office space should have an air cleaner in it. It can be on the desk of your employees or it can be in the corner of the room. But every space needs to have one. If there are several offices, then each office needs to have its own air cleaner to help clean and purify the air. Bacteria and viruses are a serious problem in our society and world today everywhere, and we will have much more success and better health with getting rid of bacteria and germs if we share this video with businesses and restaurants so that people can know how to effectively help prevent the spread of germs and viruses.